Hello everybody and welcome back to another 09 Tuna Fish video. And this is day 2 of the countdown to Dracon's opening day. So we have 9 days to go. Yay! And so, since it's the second day, we will of course be doing our next ride. Yesterday it was Cobra, and today it's the Edge. So, Edge opened in 2009 and it was placed next to Cobra, and it's a Zamperla Disco, so it's manufactured by Zamperla. It's 15 meters tall and it has speeds up to 43 miles per hour and a track length of 90 meters. And yes, it's the longer one, you know, so the one like Cobra. No, not that Cobra, that Cobra. Yes! Yes! And yeah, it became an expansion to the zone next to Cobra when it opened in 2009. There's not much to say about this one, so day 2 completed. 9 days till Dracon opening day.